In the next few minutes, I will show you how to make this nice dripping effect in Photoshop. In no time, let's get started. Use any selection tool of your choice to select the subject. Then click on Refine Edge and drag the Smooth slider to smoothen the edges. Under Output, select New Layer with Layer Mask. Then to go File and select New to create a new file, set your own dimensions, then click on OK. Select the Move tool. Then right-click and select Blending Options. Then select Color Overlay. Click on the color icon and select a light color of your choice. Using the Move tool, drag the subject onto the work path. Resize it to fit the work path. Open the dripping image, link in the description. Using the Move tool, drag it over to the work path. Resize it over the subject. Hold the Control key and click on the layer to select it. Then click on the subject layer and click on the Delete key on your keyboard to remove the selected areas. Using the eraser tool, erase the unwanted areas. To add a bold feel to the image, click on the FX icon and select Drop Shadow. Increase the opacity slider. That is all for today. Make sure to like, comment, and subscribe. See you next week.